Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming access. You need a Google account and an active Colab runtime. Once ready, run the mount command so Colab requests authorization. Follow the pop-up or copy the generated auth code into the input box. This gives your session permission to read and write files. Make sure to choose the correct Google account if you have multiple ones. After you paste the code, Colab will map drive to /content/drive, so you can immediately list files and proceed. Once the mount is active, you should verify by listing the My Drive directory. That tells you have proper access. Use explicit paths that start with /content/drive/My Drive so your code points to the right location. For data tasks, pandas, read CSV works directly with that path, and shell commands like cp or rm operate the same. If you need faster local I/O, copy files into /content temporarily, then move results back to drive when done. This avoids repeated remote latency. To finish, save any outputs back to /content/drive/My Drive and run drive. Flush and unmount. So pending writes complete. This prevents data loss. If you encounter permission errors, make sure the correct Google account was authorized and the file isn't owned by another user with restricted sharing. If files don't appear, retry the OAuth step or restart the Colab runtime. Sometimes credentials expire or the kernel loses the mounted state. That single restart resolves most stubborn cases.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.